folks, Talking Tom and Talking Ben here. We just want to show you this funny little clip here that occurred during one of our exclusive newscasts on the Talking Tom Ben News app last month.
We have an AC in our studio, and normally when we do these newscasts, it is shut off. But one of our staff members on that third episode forgot to shut it off, and it makes for some very funny moments.
How funny is it? Well, you'll just have to watch to find out. Take a look.
The reason Tom fell there is because we have an AC in our studio that is right now on full blast.
And someone must have got it turned off. We are going like crazy.
Okay, this is seriously getting out of control. Let's just go to our top story today.
Talking Kitty are surely getting the heat today.
I don't know if you can hear Tom, but we are getting the heat today. This temperature's Tom. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
I don't know why we keep holding this AC. We're full blast.
Well, we are under extreme heat warning and Talking City, so let's go right to Talking Ginger.
Thank you, Talking Tom Ben. Well, you sure are staying cool in there because Talking City is under extreme heat warning. Temperatures today and tomorrow are going to be in the 30s with human indexes in the 40s. But I am tracking a cool front that will provide us relief from this heat, so all of that plus your Sunday forecast coming up. You should really shut off that AC in there, guys.
Well, truly, Tom, somebody in the studio turned it on, and now we're struggling to stay up. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What Ben was trying to say was, someone in the studio turned it on, now we have no one to turn it off. Wait, what? Someone turned on the AC in your studio? Well, shut it off then! Shut the AC off in here.
Oh, as we were saying, someone turned on the AC in here and forgot to shut it off before we went on the air.
So that's why we went wild for a bit there, but we sorted it out, so let's go back to the top stories. People thought the situation was resolved with, but once we got back from the second commercial break, well, it got wild again. Welcome back. Apparently someone has turned the AC back on and now is struggling to survive here.
It's too much. It's good.
Sorry, what? I can't understand ya. This hurts. Well, while we sort this all out, let's go to Talking Ginger with your full 7-day forecast. Ginger? Well, Ben broke his paw in that fall from his chair, so he had to be taken to the hospital.
Man, that was a crazy experience. But once I recovered, the AC had been shut off and we were allowed to resume our broadcast.
Hopefully you found this funny moment very interesting to you guys.